Alright guys, what is up? Welcome to another video of Chilling with Chen. I'm Chen and I hope you're chilling. Today we got a unboxing and quick look at the wireless headphones by AUKEY Key Series B80 earbuds with Bluetooth 5. Hyperdriver, aptX low latency, high fidelity sound, IPX6 water resistance, and 8-hour playtime, and also inline mic. Shout out to AUKEY for sending us this to take a look at. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Boom. Alright. So it's a nice red packaging here. High res audio. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox it, take a look at it, and then I'm gonna use it for a couple days and come back and tell you how it is. Okay, so it looks pretty nice packaging. You have your different size tips here for your earlobes. You got a nice plastic rubber pouch here. Oh, look at that surprise! And inside here, I thought it was troll poisoning, but inside here it looks like you have smaller tips or extra tips. These actually feel like they might be softer, maybe. Like those let me check what this is. Let's open this up. Oop. Yeah, so these feel different than rubber. So these are like styrofoamy. These kind of have the feel or resemblance of if anybody's ever been to the gun range or used stuff to block their ears, maybe even water. Huh? Or maybe that's what those are for, to use them in water. Interesting. All right. Let's take a look at the headphones here. Let's see. Let's unbox this here. Put it in here. Oh, you can pull this up. There we go. Nice. Got a little branding here. So I've never really owned a pair of red headphones. You gotta be careful when you take them out of that because it looks like it might be hard to pull out. You don't want to break the headphones. Alright, so these are the headphones. Got a nice rubber feel. It says rubbery here. This is where you charge them, I would suspect. Yep, charge them here. Is this a USB-C? Yeah, it's a Type-C port for charging. 10 minutes of power means an extra 80 minutes of playback. So get up to 80 hours of battery life when fully charged. That's pretty amazing. Yeah. So with the headphones, it has the styrofoam type. So I guess they give you two. They give you styrofoam and they give you rubber, whichever ones you prefer. Styrofoams might be a little softer, so I might try those. Right, and these normally to be worn above your neck, around to your ears. Alright, so this is how the headphones go on your ear. Now it doesn't tell you on the headphones left or right, so that is something to be aware, but all you really have to do, they're pretty long. You put it around the back of your neck, and you put it around and in. Like that. Now immediately when I put these on, super comfortable. I put the silicone, I don't know if this is silicone or, no, not silicone. This is the other kind. But this is how they look. I don't know if I should zoom in to my ears. And on this side, you have the volume up and down. I believe the mic is over here. And it's pretty long. Compared to the Beats headphones that I showed earlier, it has a lot more room to expand, or to, like, it doesn't pull. So it's pretty good, and it is pretty comfortable. So that's how you put them on. So you even rock them like that. Pretty lightweight, but that is how you wear them. So that's cool. What else we got in here? Do they provide? Okay, they provide a nice red USB-C to USB to USB-C cable to charge them, and the material. Let's see what this says that it comes with here. Eesh. Take this box out of here. So it looks pretty cool, pretty compact. AUKEY quick start guide. AUKEY warranty card. User manual. Those are the quickies. Silicone ear tips. Phone ear tips. To show you how to pair it. Boom boom bow. How to answer calls, how to adjust volume. Normal stuff with headphones here. I don't know why we need a user manual, but I mean, pretty simple, easy to use. We know how to use headphones by now. So this is what you get. You get the USB-C to you get the USB to USB Type-C charger. You get extra silicone tips. You get a carrying pouch. And you get the headphones. And you also get, show this over here, the extra rubberized tips if you prefer, which is actually pretty nice for them to go ahead and provide that. I'm thinking about so if we want to quickly compare these to the Power Beats. These are the Power Beats. That's what the Power Beats look like. And this is what the so right off the bat, the Power Beats are shorter than the AUKEY headphones. The cool thing though is what I might try doing. I'm gonna run use this as is and check out the battery life and report back. But yeah, that was a quick look at the AUKEY Bluetooth headphones. Your wireless headphones. The AUKEY's Key Series B80. Earbuds has Bluetooth 5. You can get them in 3 different colors, red, black, and white. They sent me the red one. It looks pretty nice. Like if matte red is a thing. Looks pretty nice there. So it has a high resolution audio, dual driver design, quick recharging. So it does give you 3 pairs of foams and 3 pairs of silicone ear tips. So I'll try both and see what is better. Yeah, so that is a quick unboxing and quick look at the AUKEY wireless headphones. Have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Hit that like button if you like these headphones or don't like these headphones or have better headphones that you use. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.